Well, here we are. We're we've got the radio completely torn apart. Well, not completely. The gimbal and the display is done there, but the roller, the hole where the roller goes, is right in there. And here is the old roller right there. And the old roller electronics are right there because we tore them up, getting them off the board, which, it's right there. And the reason we need to get them off the board is because apparently Horizon does not sell the entire board as a spare part, but you can get the parts that go on the board. This little daughter board with a connector. So after getting these parts off, which involved a fair amount of cutting them and chewing them up just to get them off of there, then I needed to install the new parts, which is complicated by the fact that the new parts needed clean holes to go through the circuit board here, which is not clean because I haven't done that yet. That's what the alcohol's for. Wish I had 90%, but don't have that. So after many feet of wick, I managed to get clean holes for these parts, and so I used my trusty iron over here. Hello, iron. It's a wonderful tool to be able to get these pieces on there. Unfortunately, the first time I soldered them on there, they were not on this side, which is the side they need to be on. They were on this side, and the replacement roller, can't fit because the connector is in the way, which is not a happy camper thing to have happen. So I had to take the new pieces off without tearing them up, like these over here. So that took some doing, and then I needed to clean the holes again. Again, more feet of solder wick, it seemed like, but eventually I made sure I pointed them in the right direction and got them in there. And the board is not totally without damage. I burned that a little bit getting that off of there, but the pads themselves look okay as far as I can tell, and except for all the flux all over it, which I'm going to try to clean off. I'm hoping it's good to go, but I'm not going to know until I get it all the way in the radio. Yep, into the radio, and get the whole main board reattached, and then fire it up and see if it rolls and selects It's fun. So I'll update this when I get back to the testing of the radio. See ya. Well, okay, we got it back together successfully. Schmutz on the lens. But now, let's see if this thing actually works. Roll back the other way. All right. Yay. That's what it's supposed to do. It's kind of got a little bit of a... It feels a lot more solid. The roller's not skipping. The whole thing looks good. So, I think we're done for this for now. Talk to you guys later. Bye.